Shop Wednesday. Look.
Everybody watches them and I...
They're looking at you.
What?
Say hi, Emers.
Oh, hi.
My baby girl's in here. She's just working away. Her and the... That's the red rooster, the wonder chicken. Eli. Eli and Amy, they've been building copper bracelets today. And now she's just so excited. And she's just over there bouncing. And I'm bouncing. Look what I'm doing. I still can't show you all the spurs because they got the big old pretty brand on there and somebody might be watching. There's the RAL. Got it all engraved up, silver inlay. Oh, about to drop it. Hey, y'all hang on. Nearly dropped it. So, y'all nearly got the big headshot of me. Forgot to zoom out. All's good though. The Spurs are having fun. Got one more week and then I head to Kansas for 2 weeks. Learn from Damian Conley. It's going to be a good time and all exciting. We'll I don't know if we'll be able to do Workshop Wednesday there or not, but I'll do my best. Bo Compton and Troy Flaherty will be with me, and I'm sure we'll meet all kinds of new friends and have a big old large time. So all is well there. Patreon's rocking and rolling. I got people signing up, and so y'all been following along as I build these spurs and posting and engraving and all kinds of stuff going on. So that's cool. Podcast going. How'd y'all like Ryan this week? Mr. Moats, he was doing good. I think me and Kerry brought Ryan some good luck because the 2 rodeos he was going to right after he talked to us, he won both of them or cash checks at both of them. I think he won one of them and maybe not both of them, but you know, it's all good. Thanks, Ryan, for joining the deal with us and hanging out. So all's good there. What else we got? Spur Workshop in September is full, rocking and rolling. TCA show. Start making arrangements now. Go to the TCA show. It'll be October 6th and 7th. Oklahoma City at the National Cowboy and Western Heritage Museum. Love to see y'all there. All the guys are getting their stuff wrapped up this week, and that'll all be done up. And they'll take pictures and put in a pretty little catalog, and we'll put on our good clothes, and it'll be fun. Y'all come hang out with us. What else I got? I don't know. I'm plugging away. Y'all have a good Wednesday, hump day, and we will see y'all next week. Adios.